Will you cook it for Mama? You gonna cook a hamburger? Come here, get it. I want you to show me how you cook on your new barbecue.
I'm cooking on making that one. I got pizza.
Show me your new barbecue. Oh, no, show me. Where is it? Will you cook me? Will you cook me a hamburger?
It's too like Daddy's.
It is like Daddy's, huh?
Yeah, and my daddy come over and watching me cook.
Want Daddy come over and watch? Daddy's still at in the field.
No,
Where-
I wanna
What's Daddy doing in the field?
shoot guns.
And what else?
People. Oh, people shooting.
Oh, yeah?
The people shooting.
People shooting?
Yeah.
Huh.
I got a hamburger.
You got a hamburger?
I got a Happy Meal.
A Happy Meal?
Yeah.
Did you cook it?
Yeah.
Wow.
I got a hot one.
It's hot?
Yes. I got a piece of sandwich.
Oh, yummy.
I got that piece of sandwich. Sandwich. Look at all these grass.
Look at all this crap. Wow, you gotta sweep that up, huh? Why don't you get in your pool? It's so hot out here.
Papa cut that grass.
Papa cut the grass, and so did Kingston.
Yeah.
You helped?
Yes.
Yeah.
Help.
You helped?
Yes.
Yeah, you did good.
Help Papa. Only on.
Helped Papa mow the lawn.
Yes.